Hello guys, welcome back to COC Naturals. It's me Charity, and if you're coming across my channel now, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Ayurvedic herbs. Ayurvedic herbs are medicinal herbs that are so beneficial for your hair. Whenever you incorporate this in your hair, it helps to treat hair loss, dandruff, dry and flaky scalp, and it also promotes a healthy hair growth. The first Ayurvedic herbs I'll be talking about is Shikakai. Shikakai has a natural cleansing properties, which is an alternative to using shampoo. It is rich in antioxidants and it also promotes hair growth naturally. And so the second one is Brahmi. Brahmi helps to promote hair growth and thickening of the hair. It helps to treat dry and damaged scalp. It also helps to treat hair thinning and also prevent your hair from falling or breaking out. It also contains alkaloid that activates a protein in the body that strengthens the hair naturally. So you can see that this hair is beneficial for people that are suffering from hair loss, hair thinning and hair breakage. So if you want a thicker hair, if you want a fuller hair, I will advise you incorporate this Brahmi into your hair care routine. And number 3 is Bringraj. Okay, whatever. So this is an Indian herb that is also known as false daisy. It is particularly grown in a moist area and is filled with vitamins, calciums, magnesiums and iron. It promotes hair growth and reduces hair loss. It also soothes the scalp by increasing the blood flow or blood circulation to the scalp and hair follicles. It also helps to nourish your hair naturally and make them healthy and shiny. So number 4 is Amla. This herb is one of the most popular herbs you can find on YouTube in most DIYs. So Amla is an essential fatty acid and also an antioxidant which strengthens the hair follicles. It also helps to remove dandruff and dissolve dirt and grease from the follicles. It also helps to provide essential nutrients for strong hair and healthy hair. It also increases the blood circulation in the scalp. And number 5 is Hibiscus. Hibiscus is very beneficial to stop hair loss. It makes your hair healthy and lustrous. It also prevents premature graying. Hibiscus can also treat dandruffs. It also conditions your hair against frizz, dryness and breakage. It also thickens your hair and adds volume to your hair. Number 6, fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of my favorites. Fenugreek is considered to be the best Ayurvedic medicine because it contains vitamins, which are vitamin A, C and K. It also contains protein and folic acid. Fenugreek contains a protein which is very effective against hair fall and dandruff. Fenugreek also promotes hair growth and it adds shine to your hair and also nourish your hair. You can also combine this fenugreek with other herbs like hibiscus, amla and moringa to get a super good benefits from it. And number 7, we have moringa. Moringa is loaded with lots and lots of nutrients such as vitamin A, B, C and E. It also contains iron, zinc, essential amino acids, which are all very valuable to the hair. Moringa contains protein and omega-3, which promotes hair growth and nourish the hair. It also contains zinc and iron, which promotes a healthy hair follicle and prevents hair loss. Its essential amino acids helps to nourish the hair strand. And number 8, we have henna. Henna plants are so beneficial when it comes to dandruff removal. It also helps to reduce hair shedding. It also thicken and strengthen your hair strand and also reduce itchy scalp. And henna is also used as a natural hair dye. Henna is very beneficial to the hair. It also prevents premature graying. It helps to treat damaged hair or breakage or itchy scalp, or if you're having any issue with your scalp or irritations. Henna is very beneficial when it comes to all this. So it's advisable when you incorporate this in your hair care routine. You can incorporate it with other herbs. You can use it as an oil, or you can use it as a hair mask. Whichever ways, it is so beneficial when it comes to healthy hair growth. And number 9, we have ashwagandha. Yeah, this helps contains amino acids that stimulates the production of melanin. It also inhibits the loss of melanin in the hair. Ashwagandha reverses premature graying. It also treats hair loss, hair fall, and it also conditions and strengthens the hair and scalp. Ashwagandha controls scalp irritation such as dandruff, itching, eczema, and others. And number 10, the last but not the least, is aloe vera. Aloe vera contains an enzyme which helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Aloe vera is very popular when it comes to treating hair and treating skin. So aloe vera calms itchy scalp and removes dandruff. It also deep cleans oily hair and removes excessive oil buildup in the hair. Aloe vera also strengthens and repairs the hair strand. It also helps to promote a healthy hair growth. So guys, these are the 10 Ayurvedic herbs you can use for your hair growth. If you're suffering from hair loss, hair thinning, hair breakage, you can incorporate any of these herbs into your hair care DIY. So guys, if you've watched this video to this extent and you've not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And yes, I'll be making videos on hair care, and I'll be incorporating some of these Ayurvedic herbs in my hair care DIYs. And if you would like to watch any of my videos, if you like to get any of the videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.